Glasses Gamers. Today I'm going to be unboxing Bendy and the Ink Machine and the Fortnite Llama. First, we're going to start out with Bendy. Let's get this thing out. Bendy looks cool. We got Bendy out. He moves his arms, legs, body. I think he could hold these. Yeah, he could hold these. He could hold this, and he could hold a wrench. So that's cool. He could rotate. Okay, let's put him in a form like he was coming after you. Oh, and we got this little cool background we could put him in. And like this. Then, so first, I just put him in a little cool pose. Like he was coming after you. In the game, he was coming after you like that. Let's get next to the llama. But my video is gonna be really short. So, okay, now it's next to the llama. The Bendy one's pretty cool. I like him. Okay, let's get the thing off Bendy. I meant the llama. So, the llama looks cool. His little floppy tail. Little cool Bendy. Here, let me have Bendy.
That's awesome.
So pretend Bendy was a character. He threw a glue stick at his head until he got all this stuff. That's all he got. Until he found another one and just rode it. And spit it in his face. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a notification button, and don't forget to hit that bell button on Glasses Gaming. See you later, Glasses Gamers.